guys, and welcome to my video. And today we are going to play Stick Wars Saga Part 3. So we are gonna go click play and play campaign. And I was going to there. Yep, we're going to click that. Yeah. So I just left that thing over there.
I've sent some of my top generals to
What?
assist.
Wait, let's go. We are here now, guys. It's an ambush, so okay. So we're gonna do this to the miners. We are need 5 miners, okay? So and we're gonna click the save what? Yeah. Right. And the archers too. Let's go. Okay, and even more archers. Archer. Yeah. No! Oh, they have that thing. No, okay.
Defend.
We need some what? And you gonna be in the dock. Yeah. Here's some healing, bro. Okay, and we need skeletons.
Defend.
Let's go. No, no way. They have bubbles? Is that a barrier? Wait, I played this before. Yeah, that's a barrier. It protects arrows, bro. No. Bro, magic kill. I called it a witch, guys, so we are gonna attack now. Because we had enough army to stop this. Okay, but never mind, guys. Okay, forward. What are you doing, Sipos? I'm always say this, but when we are in the hard level, we gonna face the end of the boss, guys. This is gonna be hard. Okay, you bring it out in Mama Agnes. You have many sword like that.
Defend.
Alright, let's go. We are in the victory, bruh. Okay. Let's go. Secret of Project that. Nah, Secret is too big right now. So I'm gonna go with that. You are now able to customize your army. Yep. Have to edit the army. Okay. Now we need some lightning. So we are gonna take out the one thing over there. No, it's not. We need to take down the minor hostel. So we are gonna go with the lightning storm, yeah, because it's so important.
It looks like we've reached the Voltaic capital, and their leader is none other than Magus, founder of the Magi King.
Okay,
So this is
the
where
master of magic king. Yeah, right. I can defeat him, bro. I can defeat him. Okay. Attack if you dare. We have a holistic power in our side. Okay, so we are gonna be locked in, guys. So let's go. Okay. He has a Magus statue. The master. So Sipos just adding Sudra. Okay, so we need some archers. Yeah, this is our strategy. We need some archers best we can, but they have a barrier right now, so we are really got archers. So we need spirits because he has he has a higher health, right? So we definitely need that. And don't forget to silver, bruh. Okay.
Whoa.
So what
Attack!
what is magic story? Oh, okay, we are not ready. We are not ready right now.
Man the fort!
We aren't ready, bro. So we need some archers. Need some archers, bro. Okay. And let's click the miner to
Miners,
work
get back
again.
out there.
Let's go. And we are gonna add some miner too. Because we need more gold. Yeah. We need more gold. So we are gonna go forward. Okay, forward. And some archers too. Hello guys. So we are gonna retreat right now because my army was damaged right now, guys. So here's some archer and some skeletons. Okay, let's go. So we are gonna charge, but wait. So we are gonna go buy some skeletons. Okay. So it's full right now. Wow. So we are gonna buy some archer. Now it's complete. Now we are gonna charge at the Magus.
Attack!
Now we're gonna attack. Let's go. Bro, attack the Magus, bro. Now he's defeated. Now we are gonna claim the victory, man. Let's go. So now we have a Voratic Spark. Now we need some that thing over there. The Voltaic Spark. I don't know what is mean, but we are gonna go. Oh, I'm pro with this game. I know it. The Archidons have electric arrows, okay? Okay. Well, we're gonna go so far, man. Like, what? Okay. Right? Then, so I'm going to leave right now, guys. So I hope you watch this video and like and subscribe right now this video, guys. We are gonna hit the 100 subscribers, okay? If we hit 100 subscribers, so this is gonna be on what the hell, on the end of the Stick Wars saga. If we hit 100,000, if we hit 100 subscribers, we are gonna defeat the thing over there. That you know what I meant. The thing there, okay, there. So we are gonna go in deep, right? I hope you're watching this video and like and subscribe, guys. So I'm gonna go and there.